Hello students, welcome to Sitaram IAS tutorial. The question is, why did Mahatma Gandhi considers salt tax most oppressive than other taxes? What was the outcome of his Dandi March? So here the question is very direct. You have to make reasons for why Mahatma Gandhi considers salt tax more oppressive, and we have to uh, write about outcomes of his Dandi March. Okay, so here step one is we have to analyze the question. Next, note down all the informations in a short notes. Next, if you don't know about the topic clearly, make some notes from the internet. And step 4, draw any diagram. It may be a graph or a map or any sort of diagram. Okay, um, so let's start. So I have this is the information I have gathered from the internet. Okay, so this is the information. If you want to do more research, you do more research. Okay, so this is a diagram which I want to draw in the answers. So I have written the answer. The answer is Dandi March has led a path from darkness to light by igniting the light of independence. So first, the opening should be like with some quote or with some phrase, because it adds masala to the biryani which we are writing. Okay, so here Dandi March has led a path from darkness to light by igniting the light of independence. So this is a map I will draw in the exam. Okay, so this is a map, this is a phrase, these are the reasons. Okay, so the Salt Act of 1882 granted a monopoly to the British on the salt production, distribution and supply by taking away the salt production rights from Indians. Reasons that made Mahatma Gandhi to consider salt tax more oppressive than other taxes. First point is Britishers abolished the Indians from production, distribution and supply of salt. By introducing salt law, the salt production by Indians was completely abolished. Second point, high price on salt. They raised the cost of salt, wherein the poor people could not afford. So here, make sure that you will not write the numbers. Okay, any symbol or any dots to mark the points should be written. Okay, if you write 1 2 3, it'll seem to be very less or very more. Okay, just keep a symbol and write the point. Okay, so let's continue. The poor and middle class people lost their livelihood. So many of the poor and middle class people depend on salt business. By introducing salt act, they lost their livelihood. Next is introducing salt act is like taking away the bread out of someone's mouth. So as a sign of disagreement of salt act, Gandhiji has launched Dandi March on 12th March 1930 from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi with 78 of his supporters. Now coming to the outcomes of Dandi March, there is a mass participation. People from all sections, over 50,000 people has participated in the march. It was the first non-violence march, so it was the first non-violent march led by Mahatma Gandhi. The next point is it gave rise to the social and political unity. Okay, so it was people from all caste, creed, religion, etc. has participated in the movement. Thus, women, students, and youth had played a prominent role in the movement and established a foundation stone for nationalization, mass movement, and laid a new phase of India. So this is the answer I have written. So in 150 words, we have to write the answer. So this map and this phrase, this point should be written like this. You have to not give any number. Okay, just use symbols for the points.